everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. We know how much you love our dollar store videos, so we made another one. Today, we're making decor for your dollhouse using things from the dollar store. So let's get crafting.
For my first project, we are going to be using a 3-pack of 4 by 6 inch canvas squares, furniture markers, Mod Podge, and a print from online or your favorite magazine. Take your print and size it on your canvas by drawing a line. Take a metal ruler and a box cutter and keep cutting until it's through. Take your marker and color around your frame until it's dark enough. Now take the Mod Podge and paint the canvas. Put your print on and let it dry for 20 minutes. Then put a coat of Mod Podge over the print and let it dry. For our next project, I found this wire basket at the Dollar Tree and thought it would make a great mirror. I am going to cut it 4 by 6 squares for my mirror. Use a sharp wire cutters to cut your squares out. And then go back and trim all the wires that are sticking out. I am using foil paper for the mirror. Place your gold frame on the foil and draw around it. Then cut it out. Take clear craft glue and very carefully put dots of glue around the edge. Place your gold frame on top and let dry. For project 3, you will need to download the free print, beads, floral wire, and a piece of cardstock. Take your cardstock to make the ring. I'm using a punch to make my ring. Use the small hole punch first, then center the paper with the large punch to get your ring. If you don't have a punch, you can use the pattern from the printable. Cut one of the Starburst patterns out and tape your ring in the center. Take your floral wire and cut 9 of each of the lengths needed in the description box. Using craft glue, dip each wire and place a bead at the end. Now, take your print with the ring taped on it. We are going to put glue on a section from the tall wire to the small wire. Take the tallest wire and put it in place according to the print. Take the smallest of the wires and place it on the smallest place. Next, take your biggest one and place it on the print that matches the length. Again, take the next biggest one and place it on the print that matches the length. Keep doing this until you get to the tape. Remove the tape and place the rest of your wires on. Let dry. This is your finished product when you are all done. We will be spray painting it gold later. For our next project, you'll need the printable and matchsticks. Use the printable to cut and put together the boxes. First, take your matches and cut the tips off. Make sure to dispose of the tips properly. Cut 6 2-inch long pieces. And cut 6 5/8-inch long pieces. Take 2 2-inch pieces and 2 5/8-inch pieces and glue them together. You'll need to make 3. Cut and make 3 1-inch by 5/8-inch squares. Place the 3 large frames onto the pattern. Put dots of glue where the small frames overlap. Take your 3 small frames and set them on. You will need a matchstick to prop up the one frame while it dries. Next, we are going to make a spike sphere out of toothpicks and a bead. Take several toothpicks and very carefully cut the ends off. Cut enough to cover your wooden bead. Using hot glue, glue your spikes around the whole bead, except for the bottom. Next, we are going to make a jack table top decor. Cut toothpicks 1 inch long and 4 4/8-inch long. Using hot glue, put a dot in the center and place one of the small pieces on. Place another dot of glue opposite the other and place another small piece on. It should look like a cross. Place a dot right on the center and place the third piece on. Pick it up and place a dot on the opposite side and put your last piece on. Last, I found these wild animals at the Dollar Tree. I am going to spray paint them gold. I am using Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold. Take your projects outside or a well-vented place and give them 2 coats of paint. Let them dry for an hour between coats. Now for the fun part. Let's get decorating.
We found this candle holder while we were picking up supplies for this video. Turn it over and it makes a fun side table. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting.